Hey guys, I'd like to share something with you. I just received a very nice set of riding gear. This is FC Moto helmet. Very beautiful adventure-like helmet. And the gloves from Excel Moto, as well as a very nice jacket at a budget price of less than 100 euros, as you guys can see. Plus, I got a nice BMW Motorrad backpack for motorcycling. So tomorrow I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna share it with you guys on the road. All right, very cool kit. Okay, guys. Well, guys, I can now tell you a few words about this nice helmet and the gloves I'm using today, as well as the rucksack. And last but not least, the jacket I have. This jacket is worth less than 100 euros, so I got it for 366 Polish zloty online. And you guys can see that it's actually fully, I would say, stock jacket with underneath cover, vents. You can see the ventilations here. Very nice material. You can regulate your straps. You can actually have additional storage spaces in form of pockets. And obviously it's pretty warm today. The day is beautiful and sunny, but it's not really warm. It's about 10-12 centigrade, and I'm feeling very nice in this jacket. So in fact, it's pretty warm. I don't need to wear anything underneath. I've just got a shirt, and it's perfect for riding. As you can see, for touring, adventure type of riding, this would be cool. And the size is XL on me. In this case, I'm in a beautiful location. You can see this is a dam, and I'm riding my Husqvarna 401. A few words about this BMW Motorrad backpack. It's watertight. It's got a membrane inside. Let me just show it to you guys. Oh, there we go. So you can lock it even tighter. It's got those small additional pockets, and it's really comfy. It's one of the most comfy bags I actually had to wear. Unfortunately, the price is not that small. It's even more expensive than the I have on me, and that's kind of unusual, but obviously this is the brand name BMW, so you can't expect it. All right, what more? The gloves I got for very few bucks, so 140 Polish zloty, which would translate in something about 30 euros. They are leather, real leather, and they are pretty comfy. So far I took a few rides already, and I couldn't complain about the cold or let's say sweatiness of my hands. Now about this helmet, you already did know I have another film which shows me riding in this helmet, and it's pretty cool, except maybe for the weight, as I told you guys, and also the putting it on is kind of a hassle. Otherwise it looks really good. So this is my opinion on those three, or I would say 4 objects. In fact, and saying goodbye to you, let me take you back on the road and see you during the next film.